What is happening? Is this some kind of disaster?
Suddenly, fear gripped the village. Everyone scattered in chaos.
Who dares to challenge my flight?
Skyburner cast a shadow over the village with its massive wings. The innocent scream made the village's plight even more desperate. The ground quaked with each heavy step, and fear consumed everyone. For the first time, the villagers looked at Hulk with hope rather than fear.
Do not fear. I will protect this land.
Skyburner's laughter filled the air, mocking the Tupelo.
A mere mortal.
The dragon's fire met Hulk's unyielding defense, leaving him scorched but unbroken. Even the strongest seemed vulnerable under Skyburner's might.
See, you are already defeated.
The dragon's tail sent Hulk crashing, yet he survived the blow. A flicker of hope returned as Hulk's eyes met theirs.
Friends, your support is my strength. Please subscribe.
The villagers' prayers and shouts fueled Hulk's resolve, reigniting his courage. A strange inner power awakened within Hulk, transforming him into a force of nature. With a colossal leap, Hulk prepared to confront the dragon directly. Hulk's newfound power nullified the dragon's fire, asserting dominance over the beast. With one decisive blow, Hulk struck down the dragon, defending his home. The dawn brought serenity back to the village after the long night of terror. Hulk had transcended fear, becoming the guardian of the land he vowed to defend.
If you want this epic story to reach you too, subscribe to Shadows Beyond Tales now. You don't miss any adventures.